to look at. Some little sproutlets. And then another fallen tree. This is a yellow-bellied sapsucker. Looks like a little deer trail here. See? Just goes off. Maybe I'll follow part of it. Yeah. Oh, here's a nice plant. Yeah. Just keeps going. Anyways. So, here's a nice tree. It's bent over. It's not fallen or anything. Just grew over like an arc. And there's that fallen tree. Looks pretty hollow. All of this prairie grass, it's all over the ground. All of the lighter looking dry grass, that's prairie grass, and it stands up to more than 5 feet. This is a forest biome. Here's a fawn bed. It's right in between where the prairie grass on the ground here, it's all matted down, and the popple trees are there. And then right behind it is a field, or the prairie, I mean. And then right here is the forest. It's mainly deciduous. There might be a couple pines. And then some more popples there. And then right through the popples right here, it's the prairie. So, this is ginger, and there are some flowers down here. And that's how you can kind of tell that they're ginger, that by in the shape. And then right here is some bloodroot. They use it for dye. They dig up the root. And of course it's red.